If you want to power off your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, but you don't remember the screen lock password, and you cannot do so because if you press the power button and volume up button, and if you try to power off, you are asked to enter the password, then in that case, first we need to perform the force restart of the phone. So you will need to press and hold the power button for approximately 10 seconds, and you will need to keep holding like this until the screen shuts down. Once it shuts down, you want to quickly also press and hold the volume down button so that you are holding two buttons, the power button and volume down. Let me demonstrate. I'm gonna hold the power button and I'm just gonna keep tapping on the screen so that it doesn't turn off due to inactivity, just so I know when it shuts down. And now quickly press and hold the power button and volume down button. There we go. Now we are in the fast boot mode. You can use volume up or volume down button in order to find the power off option, and then press power button to confirm that choice. And there we go, the phone is now off. Of course, if you turn the phone on, we're gonna check if it's actually required to exit the fast boot mode. In some phones we actually have to exit the fast boot mode in order to return to the normal mode, but it seems that in this case it's not required, so the phone should turn back into the normal mode. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!